Okay, everybody, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. And just a side note, I'm going to be doing all the videos together now instead of one at a time because you have a little bit of experience now. So I'm going to move at a faster pace. Okay? You could always rewind it and go back. We're going to be talking about editing and building the events page. Let's go ahead and do that. The book says go to pages, then you go to events. You want to go to your template, select full width page, hit update. Next step says remove the title. So pages, events, hide title. Scroll down, check that box, and hit update. Adding a row to the page. The book says go to pages, events, page builder. Go ahead and hit OK. Now the reason that popped up is just letting you know, because remember how we created the content earlier in our pages? This is the events page. We wrote that. It's just letting you know you have content already there and it's merging it. So let's go ahead and delete this row. I'm going to show you where we're at in the ebook right here. Adding a row to the page. So page, pages, events, page builder, wrench icon, delete the old row. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're at the wrench icon. Let's go ahead and delete this row. Oops. Okay, so delete row. Yes, we're sure. Okay, so now once you delete the row, what you want to do now is you want to add a row. Okay, make it one, set row layout right here, set row layout, and just make it one. Then you hit insert. Okay, and then you hit update. All right, now you want to make row full width. Let me show you where we're at. Right here, making row full width. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So it says go to pages, events, click the wrench icon, see it there, edit row. And you've done this before, so I'm pretty sure you're getting the hang of it. Layout, row layout, full width stretched. Then you want to hit save. Okay, now we're going to add visual editor to the widget page. So you click your widget, you click your row, then you click add widget, and then we want to do visual editor. And then you hit update. Okay, now we're going to add, or we're going to create the Google Calendar. So in order to create the Google Calendar, you got to have a Gmail account. If you don't have one, go ahead and set one up. It's free. Once you have your Gmail account, you go to google.com. Then you want to click the top right here. Looks like a calendar. Click that. Then you want to click calendar here. Okay. Then you want to see where it says click. We see where it says my calendars. You want to click that drop down menu right there. Okay. And create new calendar. So we're going to put in our calendar name. So let's put the On Fire Church. Description, stay up to date with the On Fire Church. Okay. Then it asks you for location. Let's go ahead and put San Diego. Then it asks you for calendar time zone. We'll keep it United States. It's asking you if you want to make the calendar public. Yes, we do. So go ahead and check that box there. And then you want to click create calendar. And then you want to hit yes. You want it to be public. Okay. So now you've got your calendar created. Let me show you the next step. You want to add the calendar to your events page. How are we going to do that? Okay. Let's start all over again. You could just go straight from here, but I'll take you back to Google and we'll go from the beginning. Okay, so let's go to google.com in case you're logging in on your computer and you want to add another calendar and you haven't got through the steps yet. This will take you from the beginning again. All right, so you go to where you go. It's calendar here. Click calendar. Then you want to select the calendar you want to add. We just made the On Fire Church. Select that. Drop down menu, calendar settings. Okay, you with me? And highlight and select the code that is right here. I'm gonna grab this code, highlight it, and copy it. Okay, and let me show you where we're at in the ebook so we could be on the same page. We're right here. Highlight and select code under embed this calendar. So that's where we're at. Right here, this code. Where it says embed this calendar. All right. And then once you get that code, you're going to go to pages. Okay. And then you go to events page. You want to go to text. I'm sorry, you go to events page. And you go to edit. Then you're going to go to text. And then you're going to paste that code you just got. Okay. You're going to paste that code. Then you hit done. And you hit update. Now, when you go to the events page, you should have a calendar on your page. Wow, that's cool, huh? Let's center to the calendar. Let me show you how to center it. What you want to do? Okay, now this is the step we're on now. Center calendar on page. That's the step we're on. Okay? What you want to do? Go to pages. Go to events. Click edit. Go to text. And all you got to do is add something right here. You're going to put that little bar there and then you put center. So that's your less than, and then you got your greater than. And you're going to put your less than, /, type in center, greater than. Now I put the code here for you also, right here. I'll show you an example how to type it in. Okay. Now once you type that in, you're going to hit done, hit update. Let's go ahead and take a look at our events page. Now our calendar should be centered. Now that's cool. So when people want to know about your events and what's going on, they could just go to your events page. Now, adding a header to the events page, let me show you how to do that. Okay, and just so we're on the same page, we're right here, adding a header to the events page. Let's follow those instructions. It says you go to pages, events, add row, set row layout. We're going to set it to 1. Hit insert. You want to select the row, add a widget, and we're going to do visual editor, our faithful widget. Click edit, and you want to click add media. Now the file you want to add needs to be on your hard drive so you can upload it. Let me show you how to do that. Go to upload, select file, choose your file. Let me go get my file. Mine is on my hard drive. I'm going to choose header. While it's uploading, there it is. Hit insert into page. Okay, now we're going to click the image. I'm going to hit edit. And you want to go to size. You want to make it full size. Then you want to hit update. You want to center. You want to hit done. Okay, you want to drag the widget, make sure it's on the top. Okay, because it's going to be a header. Hit update. And your image size is 1080 by 100. Okay, when you go to your events page, now you should have a header. Nice. And you can make it whatever header you want. I created this one in Photoshop. All right, let's move on. Okay, now what we're going to do, excuse me, is we're going to add an event to your calendar. So let's go ahead and do that. So in order to do that, you go to google.com, click on here, click on calendar. Okay, and then you want to go to my calendars after you click there and you select your calendar. We've got the On Fire Church calendar. I like working in the month view, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then it says click on the date. So let's click on 18th. Then it says click on edit event and enter event information. We're going to say revival. Okay. And then the time, that's not going to be all day. Say it's going to be from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. All right. And you can repeat it if you want, but we'll just have it for one Sunday. Okay, where the On Fire Church Gonna add it to the On Fire Church calendar because I have a lot of calendars. And then you put revival with guest speaker. And whoever your guest speaker is. Okay, then once you have all that information, you go ahead and hit save. Now you have revival on your calendar. When you go to your events page and you refresh, your event should show up, revival, and there's your information. That's cool, huh? Let's move on.